Hello everybody, happy Christmas in July. Woohoo. Sorry about any screaming kids you'll hear out in the background. Ooh. Hold the phone closer to me here because I'm about ready to drop the phone. There you go. Yeah. Can I zoom in a little bit more? It's not necessary. All right, never mind. Shut up, Chris. We're not too far away from the moon either. That's kind of cool. Yeah. All right. Anywho. Yeah. This little girl out in the back of me is like lapping up a storm. Wow, they're going way up, which is better because there's been years like they hit the top of the tree over there. Wow. See, aren't these that much better than the ones in Greenfield? I think so. Greenfield's fireworks just fucking sucked this year. I hate to say it, but they just really did. They totally blew monkey balls. Ow. Sorry. Ooh, that was a little low. Ooh. Yeah. I gotta make a part 2 here in a moment.